Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, aDudemanbro, and I hope you all are having a fantastic Monday, and I hope you had a fantastic weekend also. I'm sorry for no video yesterday. Didn't really see too much in the market that was going too good. Basically, everything from my last video was what I was watching, those EV plays, and man, am I glad I got into some of them last week. We made a killing today, had some really great gains, and we'll go into some of that though. But anyway, want to say thank you for joining along in this video. If you like this content, please think about smashing that like button and hitting subscribe and commenting if you have any questions or want me to answer anything, or even if you just want to say hi. You know, I love to communicate and talk to you guys in the comments below. So. But anyway, without further ado, this is going to be my first week of October picks. It's going to be a lot of EV plays and a lot of kind of swing plays. So strap in, because I think you're in for a world of awesomeness. So little chocolate, Charlie in the Chocolate Factory there. Anyway, I have 10, but I'm going to be trying to keep these videos a little bit shorter because I noticed that they're 18 to 20 minutes. They're not that popular, so we're going to go through a lot of these really quickly. The first one I want to talk about is APM, and this is a low float. The chart is looking fantastic. Today we were on an uptrend. The RSI line is not oversold or overbought or anything, but we're seeing some awesome price action and awesome volume today. They just closed a public offering at $3.25, and it's sitting at $2.81 right now. So I mean, just based off that, you're looking at almost a 50-cent gain if it goes back up to its offering price, which I think it will have no problem doing. Let's jump into an article or two. This is the article basically about the $9 million in public offering at $3.25 a share. Like I said, I love these type of plays because normally they go way past the offering price. You just have to wait a little while. But I feel like this stock is going to go up to $4 very soon. I actually put it in a swing trade. Probably won't be seeing it till mid-October. This is just some price forecast. You know, this is analysts. They're not always right, so just please take this with a grain of salt. The first one is $11 as a low and $15 as a high, and if we're sitting at not even $3 right now, so there's a lot of upside within the next year, and actually a long-term hold if you even want to hold it for even longer. I mean, oil has been blowing up lately, so I feel like this is a pretty decent risk to reward on this one. I think if you get it under $3, there's basically no risk, in my opinion. Another one I'm going to go and say is OPTT. This is a play off of different renewable energy. Renewable energy in EV is just outrageous right now. This is a sympathy play off of just WWR and CBAT, those different energy companies. This is a different sector or different type of energy. It's ocean, but it's seen the most volume that it's seen in forever. And I mean, if you just look at these buys, I mean, there's been a crazy amount of accumulation going on. And so this is on my watch list. I'm not in this one as of yet. I think $1.30 is a little bit too pricey for me. I do think it could go to about $2. The risk to reward for me getting in route here is not very high. But I have to play it, you know, minute by minute with that chart to actually see. Next one I want to talk about is one that I talked about probably about 2 weeks ago now. It is a play that I brought you with SUNW also. And this one ran up super crazy today. We've seen at one time it was about a 50% gain just today. It's on my watch list still because I actually did sell out a majority of all of my shares, but it still has room to go even higher. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it tries to push 5+ tomorrow. We'll have to see how the EV and the renewable energy sector goes tomorrow. And well, I'm just going to play it by ear here. I might even buy more shares if I see it going crazy because averaging up, since my average is so low, there's almost no risk right there, you know. Next one is WWR. This is not one that I talked about, but this is basically one of the reasons why some of these other plays are sympathy plays and are running up. This one actually ran from about $1 last week, and it was a high of almost $10 today, which is insane. This chart looks fantastic, and actually looks like it's going to keep on going and keep on going. I have to kind of tell you a little bit though is these type of plays I'm very skeptical about, because as much as we are going to get a huge upside, it could go the opposite way too. You could see this going from 9 to 3 and like that, 2 or 3 halt downs. That's the only problem with plays like this. If it does halt down 2 or 3 times, you could get stuck and not be able to even sell at a decent price. Next one I'm going to talk about is one I talked about though already, is POLA, POLA, and this one's seen some awesome price action at the end of the day, and I'm going to be looking for an entry tomorrow, most likely. I think it's going to hold off lower than $4, and that's why I kind of have this on as a potential play. I'm not in it or anything because it could, depending on how the sector looks, it could be way down. But these 2 buys, I mean, the volume was outrageous today, especially close to close. It was outrageous. So I'm going to be looking at that. We could see some awesome price action on that one. Next one I want to talk about is PLM. And this is a mining company. This has to kind of do with the whole lithium news that's going on. Not just Tesla, but Trump's even actually, moves to expand rare earth mining. This article was released about a week ago, and it's just been shooting up. Mining companies who mine those type of materials for the EV batteries, electric batteries, the lithium batteries, and all those renewable batteries. These companies mine the stuff to make those, and that's why you're seeing such an increase. And this one, I mean, like I said, the price action is just outrageous, and you can see, it could. These are going above and beyond all of the analysts. So most likely, most of these are going to be day trades. I'm not going to probably swing trade majority of these. There's one that I am, and I will be speaking about that one next, actually. So let's get into the next one. That's going to be the one that I am trading, and that is PLG. Lithium battery mining type of play. Let's jump into some articles. Let's do this first. First of all, the institutional holdings is at 40% and about 871,000 shares that have been increased. Not just that, they own an EV battery company, and it's a little bit of an older article, but this could give the little extra push of PLG to really shoot it up, because actually Tesla is in talks with Vale to buy Canadian nickel, and PLG is a Canadian company. I would think that they would just use it for their own EV cars, but I mean, if Tesla comes in and offers you something, I'm almost positive they're going to be like, heck yeah, let's do it. Sign. Where do I sign? Type of deal. So it's just that extra cherry on the top. So look at the different companies who actually mine the type of material. There might be some I'm actually missing too. There's probably a lot out there, but look at those type of plays too. The ones that haven't been seeing a lot of volume. This one actually had a lot of volume today. Just didn't get that extra boost that it needed. It was too much selling going on. At where it's at right now, it's just, I think it has so much more room to go. It went 270, 280 back in September, and actually July it went almost to $3. So my price target for this is going to be probably $3 and a high of like $3.50. I can see almost about $1 upside on this. I think if this has a very good chance. If you can get it around $2, I think it's a no-brainer. It's going to be a very good buy. Another one to look out for, it's a little bit on the pricier side, but FVAC. It's a special acquisition. I believe I did actually cover it in another video, and they're a pretty huge company. So keep an eye out on that one also. So let's get into some of the two that I mentioned also. We have SPAQ. We've seen a little bit of volume after hours. It kind of shot way down. We're still waiting on that that news that we've been waiting for. A lot of people are speculating 30 plus on this. I think we're going to need to see a PR, and a very good PR to see 20 plus. I see it floating around 16 to 18 here soon, but not until we see that really good PR news and that volume come in. We're going to see 25 plus and whatnot on this. I do have a swing trade on this. I'm holding a few shares, not too crazy, but enough to make a decent profit off that. So next one I want to talk about is PIC, and this is one I talked about in an earlier video. I'm going to actually put both those videos in the description of this video. Very good entry point in my opinion. Anything under $11 I think is a no-brainer. This has the potential going 15 to 18 plus, if not even higher, depending on the volume. It's actually reached like 14, it's reached above 14 once or twice. So it definitely has the room to gap up and go that high. So 14 is going to be my price target on this. And then of course, if they have more news, I'm going to definitely evaluate it. It's kind of in a downward trend. For the last day, we actually seen a lot more buy-in. So I added a good amount to my position today, and I'm going to be kind of just watching this through October. I think November, where we're going to start seeing some real price action and some real gains on this one. So last one I want to talk about is probably the one I'm most excited about, and that is ADTX. And this is a swing trade for me. It's a bio company. They have a Rona type of play in the works. Let's jump into some of these articles. So first of all, public offering was for $4 a share, and if we look right now, you know, it's not even at, it's half of that right now. So that's a very good sign. I feel like we at least have $4 that it can possibly go to, and that's going to be kind of my, I think 350. I'd be very happy with 350. That's probably what my price target is on this one. On top of that, we're waiting for a 510K and an EUA, which is a emergency use authorization for a application for the Rona type of vaccine slash treatment. 2 PRs from that, and I could see them almost happening any day here. And once we get that, I could see this one going huge. Like I said, I feel like anything under $2, very safe. Actually, anything under $2.10 to $2 I think is very safe, but I do see it going to about 350, 3 to 350 here kind of soon. I am swinging it, so let me know if you guys are in this one. I want to also touch on ADMA. I'm still in ADMA. I'm still holding that. We've seen a little bit of some fluctuation today, but I'm not too worried about it. It's the stock market. Everybody was EV crazy today, so not too much trading going on with that. But anyway, that's the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Leave in the comments below what y'all are watching for this week. You know, leave any type of comment. What would you guys do this weekend? Did you guys have fun? Are you guys really enjoying these videos and whatnot? Want to give you guys an update too. I did sign up for an account for that giveaway that I'm going to be starting. The $100 a month Webull challenge. Community picks the stocks that I'm going to be investing in, and at the end of it I'm going to pick 2 subscribers, and you're going to win all the money that's in there, $100 a month for a whole year. Please leave in the comments below what stocks you would like me to pick, and I'm going to be doing it weekly, where I pick a new stock each week, or a new comment each week with my weekly picks. So the comment with the most likes, I'm going to be picking and buying it up probably Friday and holding it for the whole week. I'm kind of just testing this and just using this as a guide. I know I said I was going to do it last week, but kind of things fell through with that. But I'm going to do it starting now. So please leave in the comments below what stock you would like me to pick, and I'm going to be picking one of them, and we're going to see and doing weekly updates and letting you guys know how much we're making in that account, or if we have made a lot in that account. So that's the video. If you want to follow me on any social media, I have my Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon in the description below. If you want to sign up for Webull or Robinhood, I have my referral links. That's very much appreciated. You know, all that money goes right back into the videos, you know, to make them better, to get better equipment, you know, to update everything. I'm going to be working on a green screen next. Hopefully I can get that all figured out and everything. But Anyway, I hope you really enjoyed the video. I hope the whole rest of your week is amazing. I hope you had nothing but green days for the whole rest of the week. And anyway, you guys stay classy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, yo. Yeah. I feel like I talked way too fast. But hey.